and decided to give him a piece of banana. Okay, it's a good karma to feed animals. Feed anybody, it's actually good. Man, he was hungry.
I mean, it's a banana. It's not like he's gonna take it home and put it in the fridge.
Normally, all the squirrels I've seen, they take like the nuts and they put it underground, and they forget where they put it, and then they come for more.
Is that true though?
Huh?
Is that true? Like
No. I had so much time for myself in the park. I've tried it out and see what they do with it. But they would always hide it nearby a tree, though. He's almost done with it. Let's leave him another one. See if he'll come get it.
I like this game.
Still not here.